Welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. We're finished on the cladding here now. As you've seen, they already put strips on it, the bamboo strips. We're planning to color it and then also smooth this area so that we could finish it totally. We're hoping the window guy will come today. It's been 2 weeks now that we already reported this about these cracked windows. And then we got also the door in the CR here. Still gonna double walling this area. It's not yet totally finished it. So we're gonna buy additional cladding so that it's all clad, and at the same time varnish so it looks good. This area also is finished, as you've seen. Although that area here is a little bit weird. It's looking good. So we're gonna smooth this area because it's a little rough. Yeah, so that's an update. So please like, comment, and subscribe. It's pretty good. Have a good day and God bless.